What does a typical collection agency client look like to you? If you've ever received a collection call for an unpaid cell phone bill, you'll be familiar with at least one type. Telecommunications companies who need to collect overdue mobile or internet bills make up a substantial volume of our work. Banks and credit unions are another. At MetCredit, we work with many and have provided uninterrupted collection service on loan and credit card defaults to one of Canada's Big Five banks since 1974. In short, the obvious guesses would be right. Here are 10 business types you probably wouldn't expect to use a collection agency, but for whom my team and I have successfully recovered debt. Number 1. Governments. Federal, provincial, and municipal levels need help to collect Crown, shared services, or other debt. Think twice before letting that fine or tax bill go unpaid, or you're likely to hear from a collection agency. Number 2. Funeral homes. Yes, people have been known to stiff their loved one's mortuary. To recoup costs, smart funeral directors turn to their collection agency. We also handle deceased accounts collection for one of the world's largest retailers, when folks apparently somehow do take it with them. Although obligations don't expire with us, it's important to handle such situations with maximum professionalism and respect, two areas in which the MetCredit team are exceptional. Number 3. Hospitals. In Canada, healthcare is covered by provincial healthcare plans. We've got a lot of experience in collecting for those as well. So it's usually visitors like tourists who hear from the hospital's collection agency. Number 4. Dating agencies. You may not want to be hooked up with someone who leaves his or her matchmaking agency in the lurch, but it happens. Number 5. Hair restoration companies. It appears some people who are unable to part with a comb can be reluctant to do the same with their money. We can fix the latter problem. Number 6. Nursing homes. From time to time, folks pass on without clearing the tab with their care facility. Those places have costs, and we help recover them. Number 7. Law firms. Believe it or not, people often fail to make good on their legal bills. We help lawyers get paid, and often assist their clients in collecting on court judgments. Number 8. Charities. Who would leave a charity holding the bag? Sadly, it's really common with the general public, which normally results in nothing more than shrinking fundraising results for the charity. It's when committed corporate donations get reneged on that we normally come into the picture. Number 9. Court-appointed receivers. When a company fails, its creditors are not off the hook. Collection agencies are often sent to gather what's owed. Oftentimes, if we'd been brought in more proactively, the business's financial woes could have been lessened or even eliminated. And number 10. E-commerce stores. Companies who take payment by credit card are often hit by chargebacks and reversals after a product has shipped. We help get that money back. The bottom line, almost any business model can benefit from a collection agency when payments become overdue. As professional negotiators who report to the national and regional credit bureaus, we have the leverage and skills to recover debt fast. Ready to start collecting the right way? Contact MetCredit today.